we're here with Hot. Hi guys, we're back. Hi guys, we're back on Hot Wheels. Hi guys, we're back on Hot Wheels. Okay, guys, we're live on location at the park. So as you can see, I've got the convertible and 10 other packs. Let's get started to open them. So as you can see, I got a new one. Today, I got a new Hot Wheel. Look at it. First, I'll go with this one. This one's made out of Halloween. And now I can't eat it. Bottom silver, kind of shiny, yellow. I'm opening it, and as you can see how it turns out of the box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one. Ask your mom for permission if you want these. Now for this one. It's like, see this? Just pull that. Bam. There's a C. As you can see, the convertible. I bet somebody will give me a thumbs up. And give me a thumbs up if you like I Am the One. As it compared to this one, but it's blacker. I don't know my And then we'll move on to some more, you guys. Okay, guys, look how cool it is. See all these? Look how fresh it is out of the box. Okay. I think I have one of these at home. I'll see you next time on Hot Wheels videos. Bye guys, we'll see you next time on Hot Wheels showers. Well, it's like all you can do. See you next time on Hot Wheels challenge. See you next time on Hot Wheels videos. Give me a thumbs up. This one, convertible. You were so young because I couldn't see. From Disney Pixar's. And today, I got a police day thing and then stop. Trying to make a whole video. Hey! And give me a thumbs up if you like this one. Today, I got this and this. My brother got this, a police station. Even he got like a police car with it. Don't need to play this thing. Okay guys, look at this one. It's super duper many. Dude, this color is blue. Look how mine is. Green. You can see like the green and the tires. What? And look how cool it is. So it's even like mine is blue